Good morning, children. Sairam, welcome back. This is our second class. Yesterday, we have learned some revision part of the lesson number 4, directions and maps. Today, again, we are going to revise some part of the same lesson. Okay, children, why we revise this? Yes, to get your doubts clear. Yes, than before. No, that is why this revision we take. Fine. Today I'm going to take some part of the revision of this lesson, that is directions and maps. Shall we start, children? Yes. Okay. See, I'm going to revise new words. Now, country, Country, country. Everyone knows what is country? Yes, India is our country, and country is made up of several states. Okay, when many states come together to form a country, right? Yes. Pledge, pledge. Okay. Now, every day we say pledge in the assembly, right? Yes? Yes. So what we say? India is my country, all Indians are my brothers and sisters. That means we say pledge every day. Okay? Understood what is pledge? Yes. Now nation. Nation is nothing but the country only. India is our country and India is our nation also. Okay, children? Yes. Taluka. Now what is taluka? Taluka is made up of several settlements or villages. Okay, when villages and settlements come together to form a taluka. Yes. Continent. Children, tell me, in the world there are how many continents? There are 7 continents, right? Yes? Yeah. Yeah. We live in which continent? Yes? Asia, correct. Very good. Okay? Yes. Section. Now, what is section? Section. Section. Section means parts. Okay? Now, for example, class 3rd has sections, right? That is section A, section B, section C, section D. That means 4 parts class 3 has, right? Section means parts. Clear, children? Now repeat after me. Country, country. Country, country. Pledge, pledge. Pledge, pledge. Nation, nation. Nation. Taluka, taluka. Taluka. Continent, continent. Continent. Section, section. Section. Very good, children. Now surface. Surface. Surface means the top of something. Okay, if I say that surface of the table, that means the top of the table. Fine. Several means many. Several. Several means many. State. Now everyone knows Maharashtra is our state. Okay, State is state. Okay. Now Maharashtra. Maharashtra is our state. Maharashtra. Maharashtra. Okay. Now information. What is information? See, Information. Okay. See children, teacher gives you the notice in the class, okay, and she tells you to show this to your parents or inform to your parents. Yes, that means what you do, you go home and show that notice to your parents. That means what you do exactly, you inform them, okay, you give the information to your parents, right? That means information means giving knowledge to somebody or telling some news to somebody. Clear children? Information is nothing but knowledge or news. Clear? Now we are going to revise this. SURFACE, surface. SURFACE, surface. SEVERAL, several. SEVERAL, several. STATE, state. STATE, state. MAHARASHTRA, Maharashtra. MAHARASHTRA, Maharashtra. INFORMATION, information. INFORMATION, information. Very good children. Children, I hope you are revising this. Yes, you need to revise this. Yes? Okay. Now tell me, what is a continent? Yes, can anybody tell me? Yes, a vast section of land on the earth is called as a continent. Yes, see. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Okay, very good. Now repeat after me. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Repeat once again. A vast section of land on the earth is called a continent. Okay, why we revise? It will help you to learn properly. Clear? Yes. What is an ocean, children? Yes, can you tell me? A vast section of salty water on the earth is called an ocean. Very good. See the answer. A vast section of salty water on the earth is called an ocean. Okay? Let's revise. A vast section of salty water on the earth is called an ocean. A vast section of salty water on the earth is called an ocean. Very good. Now what is an index, children? Yes, an index is a list of symbols, pictures, signs and shades of different colors given along with the map. Yes, and with the help of index, yes, what can we do? We can read a map clearly or we can understand a map. Yes, very good. Now we'll see the answer. A list of symbols, pictures, signs and different shades of colors given along with the map is called an index. Okay, repeat after me. A list of symbols, pictures, signs and different shades of colors given along with the map is called an index. A list of symbols, pictures, signs and different shades of colors given along with the map is called an index. Very good, children. Now what is the use of index? Yes, index helps us to understand the map. Okay, very good. See, an index helps us to understand the map. Come on, repeat. An index helps us to understand the map. An index helps us to understand the map. Very good, children. Now, fill in the blanks. Just tell me, each district is made up of several district. Yes, can you tell me? Very good. Each district is made up of several talukas. Good. Yes, very good. Repeat after me. Each district is made up of several talukas. Each district is made up of several talukas. Very good. Now tell me, each country is made up of several states. Very good. This is overlap, children. Each country is made up of several states. See once again. Each country is made up of several states. Okay, children? Yes? Can you understand this? Each country is made up of several states. Yes? Now, in a map, directions are always indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. Yes, very good. In a map, directions are always indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. Okay? Yes, repeat after me, children. In a map, directions are always indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. In a map, directions are always indicated with the help of an arrow pointing north. Okay? Yes. Then what is the name of your district, children? Thane. Yes. Okay, we'll see this first. North. The name of your district is Thane. Repeat after me. The name of my district is Thane. The name of my district is Thane. Yes, very good. Now children, what can you see in this map? This is Thane district talukas. Okay, all talukas which are in Thane district is there in this map. Clear? Now, what can you see in the upper corner, upper left corner, children? That is, see, I will zoom for you. This is index. Okay, children? Yes. Now, what can you see in the index? District boundary, which is shown with the dark dotted line. Taluka boundary, which is shown with the light, okay, dotted line. District headquarters, which is shown with the black dot, which is encircled. And taluka headquarters are shown with the black dot. Clear? Now see, can you see this district boundary? See, near Palghar, this Palghar district, this Nashik district, Ahmednagar district, Pune district, Raigad district, all these districts are separated by this district boundary, children. Dark dotted line. Can you see? Yes? And these districts are separated. Yes, then Thane district. And our Thane district is separated by this district boundary. Clear, children? I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes. Now see, what is taluka boundary? See, this all talukas are separated, yes, by this taluka boundary. See, light dotted line, can you see in between two talukas? Each taluka is separated by this taluka boundary, children. Yes? Very good. Now, district headquarters. Can you see? Near Thane, there is a dark dot which is encircled. That is our Thane district headquarters. Clear? Now, taluka headquarters. All talukas are shown with the black dot, children. That are taluka headquarters. Yes, children? See. Clear? Now, with the help of an index, we can read a map. We can understand it more clearly. Yes or no? Very good. Now, show the name of the headquarter of your district. Just now we have seen that. Yes, what is the headquarter? Thane. Yes, very good. See, I have shown with an arrow. Yes, Thane is nothing but the headquarter. No? Yes. Show Arabian Sea which is located to the west of Thane. Can you see this, children? Arabian Sea. Yes. Okay. Arabian Sea which is located, yes, to the west of Thane. Now we are going to show that with an arrow. Clear? Now next. Show the talukas adjoining your taluka. Now everyone knows which is our taluka? Thane. Okay? And what are the adjoining talukas? Yes, to your taluka, that are Bhivandi, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar and Ambarnath. Yes? Yes. So now we are going to show this. Fine? Yes. See, Bhivandi, which is adjoining taluka, Kalyan, Ulhasnagar and Ambarnath. Okay? All these are adjoining talukas to our taluka. Fine? That is Thane. Clear, children? Show talukas adjoining Pune and Ahmednagar district. Yes, see. This I am revising again. Okay. See. Now where are Pune district and Ahmednagar district? Can you locate both the districts? Yes. Now can you tell me what is adjoining taluka to Pune district, children? Yes, very good, Murbad. And what is the adjoining taluka to Ahmednagar district? Shahpur. Very good. Okay. So now we are going to show this. See, Murbad is the adjoining taluka to Pune district and Shahpur is the adjoining taluka to Ahmednagar district. Clear, children? Yes. Now next. Now show the districts adjoining your district. Now everyone knows Thane is our district. Yes, Thane is our taluka also and district also. Clear? Now, can you see this Palghar district, Nashik district, Ahmednagar district, Pune district and Raigad district? Okay, these all districts are our nearby district to Thane. That means neighboring districts also you can say and adjoining districts also. Okay, because that are adjoined. Yes or no to Thane district. Clear? Very closer to Thane district you can say in other words also. Yes. What are the districts that are adjoining to Thane district? Are Palghar district, Nashik district, Ahmednagar district, Pune district and Raigad district, children. Clear? Now we are going to mark those. Yes, Palghar, Nashik district, Ahmednagar district, Pune district and Raigad district. Okay, all these districts are nearby to our Thane district. That means what? In other words, these are adjoining districts to our Thane district. Clear? I hope this is clear to everyone. Yes? Yeah. Today this much only, children. I hope you all must be revising this. Okay, again and again you need to revise this. Clear? Yes. Now we are going to meet in the next class. Yeah, for the revision of the remaining lesson. Till then, bye. Sai Ram and take care of yourself.